this video, I'll show you how to be anonymous on Glassdoor. So what you need to do for this is pretty simple. You just need to make sure that you have your account created, and then you need to go to your home screen, and then you will see this option saying post anonymously as an accountant, and that is the job that I'm seeking, and I filled that in when I was setting up my account. But anyway, if you want to create a post anonymously or just appear anonymously, what you need to do is you need to set this to this anonymous icon. So normally you would post as yourself, and when you do that, you just need to put in your name, but I haven't filled my name in yet on this account, so I will always post anonymously unless I put this to post as yourself. So you can just toggle this on and off whenever you're making a post, and right now it is set to anonymously, so I'm just going to show up like this, as you can see. And you can also show up as you when you use your own name to share your identity. So you can just choose what you want. So it's actually really easy to be anonymous on Glassdoor. So anyway, that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.